Hi mga sisi, mag-grocery tayo as a driver for today's video. Alam kong madaming sa yung namimiss na ang ganitong vlog ko kasi nga naging busy talaga ako guys kasi nga dito yung mga in-laws ko kaya wala akong grocery moment. And yes po, I'm starting to learning how to drive. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. Iiyak na ba ako? Ilang months ko lang naman tinis sa mga sigaw at frustration ng asawa ko. Na hindi ako na-inform na nakakasira pala ng relasyon kapag ang asawa mo ang nagtuturo sa'yo ng driving. At dahil gipit naman talaga ang lola nyo, wala tayong choice kundi lunukin ang kanyang mga sigaw. But dahil sa sigaw na yon, it made me a better driver. Char! Pero sana mapasa ko talaga ang lisensya soon kasi student driver pa lang ako. Ipopost ko lang ang aking driving journey guys kapag nakapasa na tayo. Kasi ba't ko naman ipopost kapag na-fail tayo, di ba? Okay, what side should I go? On that same car? Right? Babe, you're not speaking anymore.
Yes.
Why you're not speaking?
I'm letting you figure it out for a second so you could see, trying to see if you could do it first. Okay, you stop, you look, no one coming, turning left. You're taking too long.
Okay.
You need to do quickly.
See? Because you're not explaining it to me. Ayan, muntik na naman kaming maghiwalay. Yay, we made it guys. Oh my God. But so far, I was not scared. Thanks to all my friends who encouraged me to really push. So hopefully guys, I will pass my driver's license soon. Actually guys, ang vlog na to ay para talaga sa mga kapwa kong mga Pinay na katulad ko na hindi driver sa Pilipinas. May anxiety, may trauma, or may takot sa daan. I just want to encourage you na kayang-kaya mo yan. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung sinabi ng friend ko na si Alpha na do it when you're afraid, do it when you're scared. At syempre, always kang manalig kay God at do it with prayers kasi hindi mo naman talaga may pipredict anong mangyayari sa daan. Pero sis, kayang-kaya mo yan. You just need to be positive. But of course, do it when you're ready. Don't force yourself.